Chapter 5. Industries. Industry is an economic activity that deals with large-scale production or manufacturing of goods with the help of machines and provision of various services. The automobile industry, extraction of crude oil, and the hospitality industry are examples. Manufacturing industries convert raw materials into valuable goods and thus add value to the product. It helps in generating large-scale employment opportunities, thus reducing dependence on agriculture. Manufacturing. The term manufacturing refers to conversion of raw materials into articles of utility. For example, conversion of iron ore into tools and implements, cotton into cotton textiles, gold into gold jewelry, and wood pulp into paper manufacturing, thus creating wealth by adding value to the primary products and converting them into useful goods. Agro-based industries process agricultural raw materials like cotton textiles, sugar industry, vegetable oil industry, jute, textile, etc. Mineral-based industries derive raw materials from minerals like iron and steel, chemicals, fertilizer, cement, etc. Forest-based industries use forest products as raw materials for paper, furniture, pharmaceuticals, and construction. Marine-based industries utilize products from the oceans and seas as raw materials like the manufacture of seafoods, fish oil, manufacturing of jewelry from pearls and other precious stones. Large-scale industries consume extensive raw material, capital of more than 1 crore rupees and labor power to produce goods on a large scale. Iron and steel industries and automobile industries are examples of large-scale industries.
Small-scale industries consume less raw materials, labor, power, and a capital of less than 1 crore rupees to produce goods on small scale. Silk textiles and food processing industries are examples of small-scale industries.
Private sector industries are owned and run by an individual or individuals like Reliance, Bajaj Scooters, Tisco, Tata Iron and Steel Company, etc. Public sector industries are owned and run by the state or central government or its agencies such as Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Steel Authority of India Limited. Joint sector industries are jointly owned and operated by the state and the individuals or group of individuals. Iron and steel industries at Bhilai, Bokaro, Maruti Udyog Limited are an example of joint sector industries. Cooperative sector industries are run by cooperative societies or by the producers or suppliers of raw materials, workers, or both. Dairy cooperatives, cotton textiles, sugar mills in India are examples of these. Distribution of major industries. There are many industries that have developed in different parts of the world. Some of the world's major industries are iron and steel, textile and information technology. The world's major iron and steel industries are concentrated in USA, China, Japan, Germany, United Kingdom and Russia. Textile industries are mainly confined to Hong Kong, Mumbai, Japan, South Korea, etc. The major hubs of information technology are the Silicon Valley of California and electronic capital Bengaluru in India. Iron and steel industries. The iron and steel industry is called a basic or key industry in any nation as it serves as a raw material base for several other industries. The iron and steel industry requires 4 raw materials, namely iron ore, coal, limestone and manganese. Among these, iron and coal both are heavy raw materials. Textile industry. The textile industry is one of the oldest agro-based industries in the world. The textile industries use natural fibers like cotton, jute, silk, wool, and artificial fibers like nylon, polyester, rayon, and Dacron. Today, the cotton textile industries have developed in Great Britain, India, China, Japan, and USA. The first textile mill was established at Mumbai in 1854. The tropical and moist climate, black soil, port facilities, huge market, availability of cheap and skilled labor, and a good network of transport have contributed to the development of this industry. Information technology. It is an emerging industry at present, providing employment to a large number of people in the world. The information technology industry refers to the storage, processing and distribution of information. The two leading centers of information technology industries of the world are the Silicon Valley of California and electronic capital Bengaluru in India. Today, 18 software technology parks have been developed in India